Hello, people, my interweb friends. This episode we're gonna go sort of on an adventure. Me and my pal twixpi the other day, we went on an adventure together, and I got a new pupper. And guess what? His name is Olive. Look at him, he's so cute. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? So we're gonna go get him another friend today. That's our plan, at least. And, yeah, we're gonna go find a new doge. Let's go see how that goes, I guess. But first we gotta get some bones. Then we gotta go to the taiga biome. And we found all the dogs. Which, if you don't know, is way off in that direction. It's like behind MemeScheme's house. And I'm gonna take my doggo friend with me. We're gonna go on an adventure. And I'm pretty sure my bones are in this chest. Yep. Put a bunch of stuff back. We have sort of a full inventory. That there. And saplings in the sapling chest. Nether items in another chest. Helmet on our face. And signs back in the wood chest. You can put food, all sorts of food. Pumpkins. Sure, why not? That should be good. That looks pretty good to me. Alright, Olive. So yeah, I named him Olive. I guess you guys can name our next dog. Because I don't have a name for him. This one I sort of named on my own because I had a horse for a short time named Oliver. And he disappeared. We have no idea where he went. So I'm naming my dog Olive in honor of Oliver, because I miss Oliver, and he was a good horse. Now I have a dog, and he is a beautiful puppy. Whoa, he just teleported. Dogs are Endermen, people. Dogs are Endermen. 100%. So now we're going on a... Don't you do it. Okay, you're smart. You're smarter than I am. Uh-oh. So we're bringing our bones with us, and we're going to get another dog, because I want a whole wolf pack by the time this season is over. And if we just keep traveling in this direction, we should find the taiga biome. Like, just straight in this direction. That's where we went. We were searching for a jungle or a desert because A, we don't have green dyes, and B, we don't have cacao beans. And we need both of those, and I want a parrot. I also want a parrot, which would be rather nice. I want all of the pets. I'm also going to try to find a cat. So if I can find a spruce village with some cats, I can feed it some fish. And I will have a pet cat, a pet dog, a pet parrot, and a horse. And here's the taiga biome. Here we are. I think. 90% sure that this is the taiga biome and not just some random spruce forest I walked upon. Oh, it's turning night. Great. Wonderful. This is great. Ooh, another pupper. Hey there, buddy. Tame. Oh, hey, that was easy. Hello, doggo. Do we want to get another dog, or... Let's get, 2 more. And we will have a wolf pup. Oh, hello, pupper. Hello, sir. Tame. Now we have 3. Let's get a 4th. Because, you know why? I love dogs. Uh-oh. Sleep. Gotta sleep. I don't like phantoms. And I'm pretty sure my dogs won't either. Hey, puppers. Let's go get some more friends. Pretty sure home is that direction. I have an entire wolf pack. I'm gonna get an army. We're going to conquer the world together. Does that sound good to you guys? Does that sound good? I have an army. So yeah, horse names. No, not horse names, dog names. What am I saying? I'm gonna do their collars a different color, and you guys can name them. I will pick out the 2 best names I find, and I'm sorry if yours doesn't get picked. I can't pick everything, but hopefully you guys will come up with some interesting ones. Are you guys gonna be... Alright, so I think home is this direction. Now we got 2 dogs. That was easy. That was easier than I thought it would be. Ooh, another dog. What do I name 3? I have 3 dogs. Tame. 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 I will feed you all my bones. Alright, let's go home, gang. We are the wolf pack. Oh, let's not go towards the berries. I don't want any of you dying before you reach your new home. Let's go this direction. There are torches. Seems safe. Gosh, they're so beautiful boy. Beautiful boy. Aww. I love all of you. I've only had them for 3 seconds, but if anything happened to them, I would kill everyone in this server and then myself. I don't know which way is home. Oh, that's sort of a telltale sign that MemeScheme was here. We're just gonna sort of pass through her domain, as me and Twix call it, because like she has these giant walls that use pistons to open if you can shoot a target block. And I can show you once we get over there, but it's a pretty cool security system, but there's only a couple problems with it. Here, I'll show you. So, you see the start of the wall up there. Also the fact that you can get around it easily, but then there's another problem with her poor security. We can easily breach it by just literally... This is the wall here. These are the pistons. I sort of made a hole in it. But don't tell her. I don't think you can, but still don't. Ah! Okay. Let's just get out of here. With my 32 wood planks. Hello, doggos. Now let's go. Yeah, we can just get under the wall by doing that. Like, very easily walk underneath her wall. I don't know if that's on purpose. I don't know if it's on accident. But yeah. Might want to fix that, man. Oh, over there, that's the new throne room thing. I don't know what we're going to do with it yet. Because reasons. This is that's Nintendisease's shop. I'm pretty sure I already showed this. And then that over there, that's twixpi's new house. Which is pretty freaking awesome. And she's got like a chicken along with Nintendisease, who also has a chicken. Well, she had like 15 at one point, and now she has 3, and I don't honestly know what happened to them. But yeah, something happened, and I don't know what. And I have a limited supply of name tags, I think. So just dye them. Okay, Wolfpack. Okay, guys, welcome home. Welcome. I'm gonna go color your collars now. I think we'll do pink, Yeah, red and blue. We'll keep one red and one blue. Hello? Puppers. There we go. And you. Boom. Now we have a beautiful wolf pack army. And so the orange one is Olive. We need names for the pink, the blue, and the red one. And they're all my puppers and I love them and they're beautiful. So, and that's the highlight of my day, getting 4 dogs. Alright, so how many name tags? I only have 2. I might have to buy one from someone, but we can take care of that later. Let's put our bones back. And a gapple in the food chest. And I think we got a blue puppy right up here. Hey guys. Guys. Come here. Come here. Come here. Don't you? Alright. Sit. 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 Good boy. Good girls, boys, gals, and guys. Non-binary pals. Look at them. Look at them. I need to take a screenshot and upload it to the, And we need a heart. So Olive here, unnamed, unnamed, unnamed. It's up to you people to name the 3 dogs. So cute. Alright. Anyway. I didn't explain the house design, did I? So I sort of spruced it up, but nether. And it looks pretty cool in my opinion. In honor of the nether update, and then, wow, there's been a lot going on while I haven't uploaded on this. Oh, that was a llama. Okay, I thought that was another dog. I was like, how'd you get outside? Out here, not much has changed except for the fact that I have a lot of change that made no sense. Ignore that. Anyways, we're gonna go up here and check out what's new in this city in the sky. And the tree we worked on last episode, I think. And then there was a couple of other things that I worked on off camera. Like that thing over there, I completely finished, and then I made this, which is our nether-based, well, our first nether-based island. So up here, we're gonna, up like this direction, we're gonna put a bunch of nether stuff. We're gonna put like a warped forest, like cloud this direction, a basalt delta one, a wastelands one, and then we'll have the crimson one, which will be pretty cool. So I have like an entire nether, sort of mini nether thing up here. And then this up here is our super smelter, because super smelting. And we don't have anything to cook, so I can't show you that it works. I will go grab something and then I will show you that this is not such a crazy idea after all. I'm pretty sure I had some ores downstairs that needed some smelting. So I did go look up, I didn't build that on my own, I did go look up like some tutorials because I suck at redstone. And other than that, yeah, nothing much has changed. twixpi opened a bakery. Or twixelle. I mean, twixelle on Instagram, I think. twixpi on Minecraft, I believe. Twix last name Pie. Where are my ores? Oh, yes. Ores, ores, ores. Some coal. And back upstairs we go. After we sleep. Because I don't like the nighttime. And please let me sleep. The sun is going down. I want to sleep. Let me sleep. I want to... No. Okay. Why? Please. Please. Whatever. Oh, and also, I think I know a way. Like, I could do some Java Minecraft stuff, since I'm using Pocket Edition right now. I do have Java, but I'm gonna have to figure out how to record it so I can, like, make stuff on there and upload it. But right now I'm just gonna keep playing Pocket because it's the only one I know how to record, basically. And, so where do we... Was there... Oh, yeah, I'm gonna show you the super smelter. Up here. Ah. Keep falling down the scaffolding. And don't ask me how I got the scaffolding without having, like, a jungle, because I don't know. I started this world, like, a year ago and only started playing on it. I don't know what happened. Maybe I found one. Maybe I forgot where it was. I have no idea. Just don't ask. But, nice day up. Let's go check out that super smelter. And by the way, this place, MemeScheme, I'm pretty sure hates it because she's fallen off it like 12 times. I think I'm the only one who has pretty much not died by jumping off on accident. I jumped off and tried to make a water bucket jump the other day. I failed and I died. And it was pretty entertaining for everyone else, but not for me. Iron ore. And open. Let's get some coal. Flick. And look at that, it works perfectly. And it'll pretty much just start smelting some random stuff that I have given it. And let's check the chests. Open. Yay! It worked. So here, we're pretty much doing some cool stuff. Yep. See, it'll pop up in this chest here. And easy smelting. Makes my life a lot easier. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. And it looks like it's done. So that makes it easier. So that's my super smelter. I decorated with a bunch of nether blocks and some spruce. I think it looks pretty cool. It works great. So that's our... We went to get some dogs today. Super smelter. I might work a bit more on the tree, but I don't have any wood, and my axe broke, so today our goal is get more wood. At least that's what I think it is. And shoot. And we need... And if you don't know, there's a tree that is not finished that we need finishing. And we only have like 32 wood things, and I need to fix that problem. So... Ooh. I hate those cave sounds. They're freaky. I don't think anyone likes them. Unless you're, you know... okay with it, but if you're they're just creepy. Like, why would you put this in a game for kids? It's kind of terrifying. I can make 5 axes. There we go. And now let's go chop down some trees. And that should be enough wood to supply our needs. That's a lot of wood. I also had a full inventory while doing that because I'm an idiot. And now we're gonna go grab some more wood that we have stocked up in our house over there. And we are going to try to start to finish up that tree. Because it's been annoying me that it's not done. I don't know what that is. What is that? Oh yeah, this is our old horse pen that we made, but someone wrecked it and stole our horse. And it probably died, sadly. So, yeah, now we will go finish up a tree. I mean, that is a lot of... That's enough wood. That should be enough wood. For now. Please, I want to sleep. I'd like to sleep. The sun is going down. It is time for sleep. Alright. And now we go and put all of our stuff that we don't need in a barrel. Alright. Alright. Boop. Alright, let's go over here. Who? Why? 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 Ugh. Okay. Oh, also, since I am the only one who actually has crimson logs at this point in time, I'm thinking about starting a nether shop. Like, I can sell items from the nether, so the others don't have to go in, because I know they hate the nether, and I could get rich off of it. And... yeah. Capitalism. Why does this keep happening? Why is that a thing? Does anyone know why that's a thing? Like, random dark spots just popping up, saying hi. Also, what do you think of the blue torches instead of the orange ones? I think they look better, at least in my opinion. Anyways, let's jump into a super fast... hopefully, I can figure out how to make it faster. Building montage of me trying to figure out why I cannot get this tree freaking right. Yeah. Here we go. Well then, I say that went very well. I say that went well. At least a little bit. Not put that out. I'm really bad at organics. As you can tell by this branch. That's a branch, if you didn't realize. I don't know how to make that. Maybe I'll just look it up later. This tree is an embarrassment. I cannot build that sort of thing for the life of me. Anyway, I think that's where I'm gonna cut it today. Let's do an overview. We got 3 extra dogs that I want you people to help name. Oh dear. We got some of the tree done, and we got wood. Not a very big episode today, but dogs. Dogs are what is important. Olive, what are you doing with your head in that netherwood stuff? Don't sniff that. That's not good for your lungs. Don't do that. Alright. Olive, unnamed, unnamed, and unnamed. I will see you in the next one. See ya, people.